right, guys, here at Destination Dallas, again, we are about 5 months out from the 212 Mr. Olympia, which Derek is going to be going for, and I am super excited because we get our second training session together, and we are going to do a small body part called legs. So you guys all know how much I love legs, and I know how much you guys love watching me train my athletes' legs. So go ahead and follow along. We're going to have some fun. Let's go ahead and wind it down. We got 7 minutes in there. He doesn't like to wear shoes. Better mind muscle connection. Some guys don't prefer to wear shoes, and he's one of them. All right, we're doing leg extensions. What we're gonna do right now is really warm everything up, because if you try to go too heavy too soon, you're gonna start getting knee problems. You don't want to go too heavy too soon in the beginning of your workout, okay? Do not put extra tension on those knees. Also, do not go all the way up. You wanna become really dependent on the time under tension. You do not wanna lock out. You really wanna focus on that. You don't wanna end up getting hurt, so do not lock out your knee at the very top. That's it. Don't lock out. Still warming up. Still warming up. Ready? Let's go. Yep. Let's go. Get focused now. Now we're focused. Let's get to work. Good. Control. Good. Control. Good. Control. Don't lock. Good. Good. Hold it. Hold the top. Hold the top. Too tight. Hold it. Good. Up. Good. Slow. Good. I want to do negative now. 3. Hold it. Come on, you're not fighting me. You're not fighting me. Slow. Fight me. Good. Up. Fight. Come on. That's it. That's better. Last one. Come on. Slow. Good. Partials. 4. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Good job. Making sure you just don't lock completely. I don't want you to put too much tension on the knee cap. So you're going to end up being able to go right up to about 90% range of motion and then back down, so you keep constant tension. And then make sure as you come down, do not let the weight completely drop. Okay? So you want to try to keep constant tension even at the very full range of motion at the very bottom. Don't bounce up. You're doing great on that side because you're not letting it touch, but just make sure you don't lock the knees at the top. Hold it. Good. Two. Hold it. Good. Slow. One more. Come on. Good. Come on. One more. Hold it. Fight me. Good. 5 parts up. Mark. Go. 1. Touch. 2. Touch. 3. Touch. 4. Touch. Good job. Feel legs flexible. Good. Squeeze. Good. Relax for a second. Go to the side. Go. Right now. Good. On the second exercise, hamstring curls, and then we're going to go to the squat. All about the contraction. It's all about the contraction, bro. Good. Yep. Good. Control. There you go. Good. Point those toes. There you go. Slow. There you go. Good. Control. Good. Slow down. Fight me. Good. Work on that negative. Good. Up. Good. Come on. Two more. One more. Good. One more. Good job. That's why I want you to do them during quads, because I'm trying to balance you out. Quads are dominant, you're quad dominant, so that's why I want you to make sure you're doing hamstrings in the middle of even quad sessions. Okay. Don't swing. Good. Don't swing. Go. Good. One more. Partials. One. Good. Two. Don't swing. One more and go up and hold it. 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 That's it. That's it. So we just did hamstrings. We want to stabilize that leg, so we did quads, then hamstrings. Get the pump. So we got the pump in the front of the leg. We want to get the pump in the back of the leg to build stability, because now we're going to squat. Now we're going to go to deep squats, and we want to make sure that he has that stability. So let's go do this. Good, Jeff. Good. Good, Jeff. Control. Good, Jeff. Good job, Derek. That's it. Sit back and do it. Sit back and do it. That's it. Roll. Right. Good. Right. Good. One more. Good job. Good job. You got that. Good job. Control. Not too fast. Not too fast. Slow down. Slow. One more time.
It's late, training legs, but it's a great day to get better. Every day is a great day to get better.
We're gonna go up and wait. Good. Drive. Good. Good form. Good form. Get up. Good. Good. Drive. Come on. Good depth. Slow down. One more. That's it. Rack it. Good job, Derek.
After 3 plates, I usually like to go 25s instead of 45s. So I'll go 3 plates, quarter, take the quarter off, put 4 plates on, then 4 1/4 to 5 plates. I don't like to jump plate to plate at full 45 after I get past 315.
So what? Go depth. Don't worry about reps. Just go with me. We're not gonna go crazy, because I want you to get up to about 4 plates. Then we're gonna start really working. So just go through. Get about 6 to 8 reps. Good depth. Good depth. Good. Good. Two. Last one. Good. Drive to the heels. Easy. All right, we're gonna get ready to finish this last set of squats. We're gonna go for 4 plates, nice and comfortable, nothing out of his comfort zone. A la Hany Chopin, except Hany goes a little heavier, but Hany's open, so that's okay. But we're gonna do this for you, Hany, because we miss you. Can't wait to see you. And guess what? We're gonna be getting together with Hany really soon, because we're gonna try to get him out here a little sooner this time. But in the meantime, you ready?
Ready.
Let's do this. Good. You got this. Easy. Good. Come on. Good. You got it. Good. Keep going. One more. Good job. Easy. Lightweight. Go ahead and rack that. Easy. Cool. All right, so we just got the newest squats with the 4 plates. Got about 8 reps. Awesome form. Did a great job. I know he can handle heavier weight, but right now, all I'm trying to do is get him to work on form. So we're gonna do hacks. Good. Good. Just warm up, warm up.
It's really light. It's really light.
There you go. Good. That's it. Come on, Derek. Control. Depth. Depth. Easy. Good. Easy. Squeeze leg top. All the way. Good. Good. Halfway down. Slow, 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 slow. All the way. Good. Right there. Don't lock it out. Don't lock it out. Good. Slow. Control. There you go. Squeeze. Yeah, come on. Easy, lightweight, control. Good, I'm gonna give you a little more negative. Good. Up. Slow. Good. Drive. Drive. Good. Come on. Yep. Good. Up. Come on. Good. Come on. That's easy weight. Light. Come on. Yeah. Oh. Control, 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 good. Yeah, one more. Good, 5 bars, let's go. 1, go. 2, good. 3, good. 4, yep, oh, that's it. Let's see him. Right there. All right, we're gonna do FST-7 last set. We're gonna do blood starving set. So what does that mean? We're gonna keep his legs up in between the sets, and we're gonna keep it to 60 seconds between sets. 7 sets, FST-7 style, all the way, legs up, blood starving. Let's go. So FST-7 does not stand for fast. You gotta control the weight. Do not go too fast. So these are blood starving sets. That means that he doesn't go upright. We're gonna keep him with his feet up in between all the sets. Let's go, set 3. Oh. right, so we're doing vertical leg press, which is one of my favorites. Why? Because it takes a lot of pressure off your lower back, but also blood-starving sets. It's great because you're already upside down. So that's why I love these for blood-starving sets as well as FST-7 sets. Definitely. Let's go. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Come on, come on.
Hey.
Oh. Come on. Come on. Halfway there, come on. 2. Go. 3. Good job. One more. One more.
Oh my God. Oh, man.
Let's go. Good, good. 3 seconds. 2.
That sucked. That was good for me.
Leg day done. How do you feel?
Smoked. Man, it was good. Thank you, man. Helping me get better, and I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, absolutely, man. You worked hard. We worked on some biomechanics. It was our first leg workout together. It was awesome. We're here. It's a great, great environment. Hard, hardcore. And honestly, I really was impressed with the fact that you were really pushing yourself further and further, and you were out of your comfort zone, but you never, ever got out of control. So it was really, really good. All right, guys. Hany Rambod, Derek Lunsford, 20 weeks out from the 212 Olympia. We're out.